most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Dan Tomaso.
Welcome back. So we're beginning to see some of these high clouds, as Brett was explaining in the last half hour, and radars beginning to light up with some snowflakes potentially over areas like Pittsburgh into eastern Ohio. This is just the first push of that warm air we've been talking about. Certainly when I say warm air, we're not talking about 50s or 60s, but there is warm air coming in with this storm system, and that's what really causes the confusion, the complication with precipitation types. But again, we'll get to that in a moment. Harrisburg, Carlisle, Lancaster, York showing those high clouds, but it's still a nice enough day. And in fact, it's rather calm too. Winds light at about 5 miles per hour. Lebanon 37 degrees on our WeatherNet system. Camp Hill at 36, Mercersburg at 35. Yesterday's high temperature is exactly the same as the day before. So we've been sitting in the upper 30s the last couple of days. Lows in the morning. It's been chilly. Numbers in the 20s. So again, moving ahead in the forecast, the morning temperature is just as critical as the afternoon temperature. So we time this out hour by hour. We'll be near 40 degrees through this evening and then dropping back below freezing tonight. And it really depends how fast the clouds move in, how long the winds keep blowing out of the east. Some places may be hugging close to that 30-degree mark, and that's actually what you want. For fewer problems tomorrow morning, we want it to be just a little bit warmer. And then as this warm air comes in along with the warm front, that's when we see the chance of rain over top of that cold air. So again, a lot of ingredients here, but first we need the storm to arrive, and there it is. A lot of rain here moving up through the Tennessee Valley, eventually moving into places like West Virginia, before it reaches here in the mid-states. So let's show you that progression on Precision Cast. Out of the southwest to northeast, the clouds continue to thicken through this evening. Now, moving ahead to tomorrow morning. During the pre-dawn hours, we expect light precipitation to start out. Notice not much snowfall now, so snow is in white. This pink coloration is a wintry mix of likely sleet and freezing rain. But then as that change over to blue happens during the morning, that is plain rain. So in order to get plain rain, we need temperatures over 32 degrees. As conditions warm from south to north, that plain rain takes over, except a northeast wind with a developing coastal storm pushes this chance of snow back into our northwestern counties. So the ridges and valleys, Mifflin, Juniata, Perry, northern Dauphin, northern Lebanon counties will be watching for a period of snow. And then all of us should end out with, I would say, a cold period of rain overnight into Friday morning. Friday during the day, still colder and breezy, but the rain does start to end by Friday morning's commute. There's a lot of details here. You can find this at abc27.com, but to break it down, tomorrow morning, 2 a.m. to 10 a.m., a mixture of snow and sleet, pockets of freezing rain. Again, there could be some ice on your secondary roadways. Keep in mind, though, temperatures do rise during the day, that freezing rain changing over to plain rain. But at the same time, we do have to watch for our northern counties to have a period of snow. These areas, north and northwest of Harrisburg, have a chance of getting upwards of 3 inches of snow and sleet. Same thing with South Mountain. The rest of us, and that includes Harrisburg, York, Lancaster, Lebanon, most likely looking at a lot of slush and a lot of rain, too. Up to an inch of rain, James. Temperatures in the 30s. Isn't that exactly what you want on your Thursday? A cold rain?
Yeah, wow. You know, a lot of people will probably wonder, like, why are you making such a big deal about this? Why are you hyping this up? But I also think it's important to note, like, when we have one of these types of storms, especially the first one of the season, it can catch people off guard, and especially when it comes to driving in it.
Right, that's the key thing, the driving part of this, especially the secondary roadways. Main roadways, well-traveled roads with the pre-treatment, that should help out a lot. But we want those temperatures to climb above freezing. That will likely take school delays, work delays tomorrow morning. So you'll be on daybreak tomorrow morning. All that's scrolling across your screen. A lot of good stuff there tomorrow morning to catch up on.
All right, everyone has been warned. Thank you, Dan. We'll be right back.
ABC27.com is your local